In this video, we will see kinematic arrangement of 9-speed gearbox system. We know the structural formula and the pattern is Z, which is known as steps is given by P1x1, P2x2. Now here it is 3 in bracket 1, 3 in bracket 3. Now how we have written this? This 3 into 3 is a factor which gives you 9. But how we have written x1 and x2? For x1 we have assumed it as a 1 and x2 is always the coefficient of x1. So the coefficient of x1 is 3. So this 3 comes over here. This becomes your structural formula. This one is called as a transmission group. So there are two transmission groups. So how many number of shafts? 2 plus 1, 3 number of shafts. The number of stages will be 2. Now we will see how to draw the gears. We have drawn 3 horizontal lines, 1, 2, 3, which is called as a shaft. The first line is called as an input shaft because from the motor we gives the input. Second is called as the intermediate shaft and third is called as the output shaft. Here I have shown you as a spindle because at the output we get the spindle speed. Now how we have drawn these lines? As you can see, I have left 1, 2, 3 lines and draw a dark line. Again 1, 2, 3 lines and again a dark line. Now here I have written a structural formula. What it indicates? This 1 indicates input and this 3 indicates output. So here from the motor we give a single input, so we should get 3 output and that 3 output has to be shown in terms of gears. Let us represent that gears. Now here you can see in the middle I have drawn the largest gear. To the left I have drawn little small to the middle gear and to the right I have drawn the smallest gear. So here it is justified 1 input, that is a single input, and you get a 3 output. Now I have to transmit this speed on the intermediate shaft. So I have to mesh the gear. So now you can see in the middle I have meshed the gear. So the middle biggest gear transmits it to the intermediate shaft. Now here you can see from the input we are transmitting to intermediate shaft. Now again the same over here, we have now 3 input, so that we should get 3 outputs. So we have here 3 inputs. I should have colored the gears in black so that it will show input output. Okay, so likewise this becomes your 3 inputs. Now you will get the output, so the output should also be 3. So again I will draw the gears. So you can see over here I have drawn 3 gears which will be output. The middle one is the biggest gear, left side is the little smaller than the middle, and to the right side is the smallest one. Now this gear need to be transmitted to the output shaft. This is meshed gear. So this is how we transmit it to output shaft. Just revise it. We know this is a structural formula 3133. Input is 1. We are giving single input through motor. We get 3 output which we have shown as a gear. The middle one is the biggest one. Left side is slight small than middle, and at the right side is the smallest one. And from the input we need to transfer it to the intermediate. So the middle one is a meshed gear and the rest of the 2 are attached to it. Okay. Now again, to justify this transmission group, we have 3 inputs, so we get 3 output. So we have 3 inputs, 1 2 3. The output here is 1 2 3. So after drawing that, these 3 are also shown with accompanied with other 3 gears, and the middle one is the meshed gear which is shown in the output shot. So this is the kinematic arrangement for 9-speed gearbox system.